Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be continuing fixing this 2020 Merc Actros. The chassis is finally back from chassisalignment.co.uk and it's looking brand new, pretty perfect, straight, everything's lined up. It was a bit hold up on this chassis because that cast bracket was on the back order. We was waiting for that chassis bracket 2 months. So the chassis lineman had this chassis for a month and they couldn't do anything about it till that bracket came. So now we've got it back. We got it back yesterday. We painted it all and I've already started put it all back together. I put all the mud guards down the back, fifth wheel, battery box there, obviously not connected yet. And today I'm gonna be continue working on that. I'm gonna be putting this wire in and we're gonna get an engine in. So let's do it. Right guys, we've got pretty much chassis nearly done to put this cab on. Cab is just here and we're going to put this cab on basically now. I was here yesterday on my own. It was Queen's funeral yesterday. I came here first thing in the morning for a couple of hours, a few hours just to get this build up. So I struggled a bit with the tank on my own, but I managed to get it all built, and today Jason is here, so we put the prop on already. So pretty much everything under the chassis prop is on, pretty much 100% complete, and we've got all them bits for the front end on order, and fingers crossed they will turn up one day. Let's hope it's not going to be 2 months like we was waiting for that cast bracket 2 months. So the cab is here, we've got everything else for it. We're going to swap all them brackets on the front. We've got the new bar because that's all bent. We've got them new casts on there, so we're just going to lift it up and we're going to put it on, and we could probably have to get it mobile or something, because if we're going to wait a few months again, we have to probably shift it from the workshop, because I've got another project, another Scania wants to go on there, and we need to take the cab off. So let's crack on with it. Right guys, we've got pretty much ready to put this cab on. Jason is just stripping and put a new door on there, and we're still waiting for some bits for this front end. They're bits on order, coming in a couple of weeks time, a few weeks time. To be honest, they struggle for some bits, and there's so many bits on that front end. From here to there, you're going to need probably more bits than we need from there to the end. That's how it is. It is a lot. We've got plenty of bits here, but we're still waiting for small components, and they holding us up. So we're going to get this cab on, and because we still have to fix a bit dent on that cab here. There's a bit dent in there. We're going to fix that. Then we're going to crack on with it. So let's do it. Right guys, finally we got it done, completed. After 4 or 5 months of doing this truck, we finally managed to finish it off. It's pretty much ready. We're just going to road test it, clean it all, some stickers to put it on it. And like I said, if this truck was built different, the front end, because like I said, you probably need more pads for the front bumper section than you're going to need for the whole back chassis, everything else. That front section is just badly designed, and you do need hundreds of pads just for that front section. And if you're missing one, that's what we've been doing, missing bits in that here and there, and we was waiting no end of time for them bits to arrive. If the front end was built with the handful of pads, then you can't go wrong. But I think they have to change design on this, and we was waiting for wiring loop for the bumper long time, and it came all different plugs, different wires. I just fixed the old one and put it on, and everything worked works all right. We just have to take it to the Merc for the service. Like I said, put the decals on, and that must have been the longest rebuild what I did so far, because like I said, I think we took the cab off in July, and before that we stripped it to have a look what we're gonna need. We was waiting for go ahead, so I bet it's 6 months nearly. So that's it, guys. So let's hope you enjoyed it. I might do the video of it. I might put it back together, all the parts of this video, just a time lapse from start to finish for you, so you remember how it was, because I can't really remember when did I start on it or no. It's been so long time ago. I can't remember, to be honest. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.